What's going on, guys? It's Decelation. We got
What's up, peeps?
Brian and Rhonda. What's up? You're back.
I am back. I see him show live. I told you guys.
No, we know what really happened. You were dreading the power window so much that you're like, I'm sick.
No, if I was dreading him that much, I'd have just come down and installed the window nets and called it a day.
No.
Window nets.
No. Now we got one working power window, and you missed out on the fun, but now we know how much we need to cut. Oh, I never said it at the end of the last video. You pretty much need 3/4 of an inch of clearance all the way around. Yeah, that was fun. But yes. But we're gonna get started. Welcome back, guys. So, we got a window in here. Check it out. This one took a little bit more massaging than the other one, but now it works. Window goes up and down. Now when I fully connect it, it'll probably get a little bit more juice. That's just me touching jumper cables. But that's a lot of fiberglass.
Yeah. You're a little cloudy over there.
Yeah, we got it in. Only one problem. The gasket, the weather seal, Factor 5 didn't give us enough. So I gotta track some down. So the inside of this doesn't have enough loving for it. Other than that, we're good. I'm ecstatic. You know you have the thumb screw thing. Here.
What's that?
There you go. Brian, I'm making Brian use the gimbal.
Yes, I am using the camera. This will do something today.
But yes, that was still a pain, but less of a pain than the driver's side because I cut a bunch off and we still had to take it out. How many times? Like 7, 8 times?
Yeah.
About 7, 8 times, take it in and out. But yeah, we're done for today. We're gonna wire it up next video. I'll show you guys the wiring. It's simple, but I am tired and hungry. But thank you guys for watching. I really do hope you guys enjoy this content. If you like it, subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below. Tell us what you think. Have a good one, guys. Peace.
See you next time.
Panning. All right, there, peeps. Take it easy. We'll see you next time.